I'm currently traveling for work, but as you can see, my hair is extremely brassy. I finally managed to wash out my previous toner. I'm kind of in this little phase of like testing all the home toners on my blonde brassy hair. So it's washed out, and I wanted to do a first impressions video on this one here. This is the L'Oreal Paris Toner in Platinum Ice. It's the new Preference Le Blonding, and it's an acidic toner. Now I have used the pearl toner of this, which gave me a really pretty like beige color, but because I'm a level 8, it's like a medium beige. If you were a lighter like 9 or 10 blonde, it would be such a pretty color. Mine was pretty, but it's because I'm taking it, like toning it down, it goes a little bit darker, but it's a really nice color. I'm so excited for this. Look at the color guide. Like, given I pretty much have what I think they mean by this, maybe this is a level 9, but I feel like it's giving the whole vibe that it should fix my hair. I don't know, what do you think? Close to? Should be good some areas, might not lift it in others. I don't know, let's just try it. But I'm excited. It is a 5-minute toner. I am gonna leave it for 10. Don't ask me why. I just feel like the quality of my hair when I last tried the other color of this was so amazing. It felt incredible. I just want to leave that on my hair longer, and I also feel like because my hair might be a little bit brassier, I just want to leave it for the full time. I will show you what is in this box. So we've got number 1, which is the toning cream. We have the applicator bottle, which is the developer cream. You then have step 3, which is the reinforcing conditioner. I do apologize for the crappy lighting. I also hate videos where people do this. I'm not showing you so that you can see my hair results. I'm just showing you that I'm actually doing the product that I said I'm doing. So you just put this in this, then you shake it.
As I said, just get started on shaking the bottle, make sure it's nice and mixed. I then focus on the roots first. Now, one thing I have learned with using this product is that I always feel like I'm not going to have enough to do my whole head. For the amount of hair that I have, for the thickness and for the length, one bottle or one box actually does my whole head, but I like to just be very sparse with it to start with, just so I can ensure that I have enough product to cover my whole head. So as I said, I like to start at my roots first, and then I massage it, and I'm just using my fingers here. I've got no gloves on, and then I work my way down. I like to focus mostly around the face first though, because again, I feel like I don't have enough product when I do this, and then I end up having loads and can keep reapplying it and saturating it towards the end. So I always recommend starting around the areas that are most important, which is the roots and around the face, to get the best result, and then work your way to the back with this kind of product. And then I leave it on my hair for the full processing time as per instructions.
So my hair has toned, as you can see, so nicely. It is still damp. It's just taking forever, and I don't want to keep using the hotel hairdryer. I'm sure you can appreciate that. I'll come back tomorrow just to show you like a proper after, but I just wanted to show you, I have tried to show you the after properly, but like look how much more toned and nice that hair color is already. So I'm really excited to come back and show you tomorrow, but I just wanted to get on here in case I don't get a chance to. This is the next day in front of the same window just to keep it even, but look how much nicer my hair is. It's all I slept on it so funny, like oh my goodness, it was like sticking up and like all weird. I plaited it and everything. That doesn't work for me, but anyway.
I'm aware while editing this how similar the before and after look, but I promise you there is a big difference, and the product is amazing.
Yeah, looks nice, looks toned, really pretty color. The difference between this one and the pearl, I would say the pearl is just slightly warmer and a bit darker, but otherwise they're pretty close. Like, I don't know how that will, probably notice more of a difference between the two on lighter hair, but for me, they're pretty similar, but I just like this one. Yeah, this is just like a really nice toner with a really pretty color. I like it. What do you think?